Yo yo, welcome to Fool's Cooking. Now I know all y'all love your pho or the famous Vietnamese noodle soup, but have you tried BUN RIEU? Well, today's the day, because after this video, you'll be whipping up this crazy bomb Vietnamese crab noodle soup. Alright, let's get this. We'll need 3.5 liters of water. Bring it to boil. $225 grams of shrimp. Chop into a paste. In a large bowl, add 1.5 pounds of ground pork, 300 grams of crab meat, previous chopped shrimps, 3 eggs, 430 grams of crab paste. Separate the oil from jar for later use. Some black peppers, this is optional. Now mix this bomb shit together and set it aside. Continue on, add 3 pounds of pork spare ribs. You could also use pork belly or pig's feet. Okay, set that to boil and have it simmer for 30 minutes. Use the crab paste oil. Add chopped garlic. Chop onions, and lastly, Mr. Tomatoes. Stir it for a few minutes. Back to our soup, ladies and gents. Scoop out the residue. You see, I'm very generous when it comes down to food. So here's a good full crab mix into the pot. This soup is saying thank you right now. I'm just that kind, you know. Almost forgot about the tomatoes. Okay, let that simmer for another 30 minutes. Boil water, add some salt, a little oil. Add 2 packs of vermicelli. Keep stirring to prevent bottom from sticking. Take a strand, taste it. Once the noodles is soft, strain it out. Then rinse the noodles with cold water 2 to 3 times. Set that aside. Okay, now on to our ingredients. Sea salt, 2 tablespoons. Brown sugar, 4 tablespoons. Fish sauce, 3 tablespoons. Now stir this magical thing together. Gently, of course. You don't want to break the crab chunks, because that shit is precious. Alright, I'm gonna stop talking right here and let you enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you for your continuing support. See y'all again. Mwah!
Oh, I'm excited to eat this. Squeeze some lime. Whoa. This brings back a memory of my childhood when I was on the rice field. Back in the day in the rice field, this is what we eat.
What?
Mmm.
Are you making a joke like that? So you're mocking them?
Mmm. Wow, this is really good.
Bomb?
Mm-hmm.
So bomb.
Some good stuff. Well, I hope you guys will try and make this at home because it's delicious. This one's really good.
So good.
Mmm.